Hey clean lifers! Are your clothes not coming out as fresh as you'd like? It might be time to give your washing machine a little TLC. Today, I'm going to show you how to deep clean your washing machine like a pro. Over time, washing machines can collect dirt, detergent residues, and even mold. But worry not, with just a few simple steps, we'll get yours cleaning clothes perfectly again. So let's get started. Step 1. Empty your machine completely. Now, pour in 2 cups of white vinegar into the detergent dispenser. Vinegar is amazing for breaking down residues and freshening up the inside. Next, set your washing machine to run on the hottest cycle. This will help remove all the built-up gunk and odors. While that's running, let's wipe down the outside. Use a microfiber cloth dampened with vinegar to wipe the exterior and all the knobs. Once the cycle is finished, we're not done yet. Sprinkle half a cup of baking soda directly into the drum and run another hot cycle. This will scrub away any leftover stains and odors, leaving your machine fresh and clean. And there you have it. A simple, effective way to deep clean your washing machine. Try this out every month to keep your machine in pristine condition and your clothes smelling great. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Clean Life Blog for more tips on keeping your home spotless. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or share your own cleaning hacks. Until next time, keep it clean.